So here's what the different straps look like. On this side we've got the drop liner style. So it's a bottom panel, top panel, elastic, sternum strap holder, and just the bottom, which can come with or without reflective tape. I sew all that together, flip it inside out, and then stuff this foam die cut into it. So that's what it looks like when it's ready to go onto a back panel. And these are the two different choices of foam. So this is the standard closed cell foam with a higher density layer on top and a lower density on the bottom, which just spreads the weight, makes it a little more comfortable. And then this is the bloom foam, so same shape, same dual density construction, just a tiny bit heavier, and this is the algae content foam. I'd say it's a little bit heavier, but really not that much of a difference, and it feels really similar when you squeeze down on it. So that's the drop liner pack. And for the duffels and the 20-liter packs, I just get these different, also curved shapes, die cut and glued together. So it's adhered with this top layer of fabric that I get, and then the same bottom fabric on the bottom here. So I essentially just attach this piece of webbing with these elastic bands and a spot for the carabiner to clip onto, and it ends up looking like this once I run binding tape around the edges of it, which is kind of a pain in the butt with my binder, to be honest. But so yeah, if you see any little spots where I've had to touch up spots that the binder missed, that's why. So I definitely go over these and make sure that I haven't missed any little bits of binding. So it's almost easier to make them in this style, but really if the binding attachment was working for this shape and thickness, it would really be a lot easier to do straps with binding around the edges like a lot of people do.